you off on that other side, it's about 14 feet of water. Use your head for one time here, pal. Save your little buddy there. You'll be a hero today.
Yeah, shouldn't even come through that. They need to block it. He ain't gonna make it. Is it, Snoop?
I don't think so, Tom.
You all right, buddy?
Yes, sir. I'm doing real good.
That's good.
I was hoping that I could get up there and get these boys. They was over here a while ago.
I didn't know it.
Yeah, we was over here. Fuck it, just spotted over here.
That guardrail's the only thing saving you right now.
I don't know about them down there.
Well, they can probably get theirs on out of there.
No, they can't.
No?
Their front end just sit all the way down to the hard top and go back to these covered with water.
Uh-huh. I can get what's in that is. They'll be trying to get me out there.
They could at least stop right here and let me jump on him.
No, that's too dangerous too, son. Right now, best thing you guys do is just sit right there. The state police is sending the fire department down here right now. They're on their way, I'd say.
I'll be here for another 2 hours waiting on them to come down.
Well, maybe not. Where you live?
Blackberry. Well, I live in Maitland now.
Oh, yeah? Who are you?
Huh?
What's your name?
Brian Thomas.
Brian Thomas?
Yep.
I don't think I know you.
I don't know.
See how much that water's come up on you there?
Oh, yeah, a lot.
Ain't no more up there, Artie.
I don't know. Is anybody else trying to come through there?
I don't see nobody else.
That's a bad move, man.
I just had to come through it not even 10 minutes before I
Hey, right before y'all come through this thing, it was down almost left bottom of the guardrail. Before we could even talk about it, it was over top of the guardrail.
Mm-hmm.
I know when I come through it was over top already.
Was it?
Yeah. If I stayed over next to the ditch like he did,
You might have made it.
No, it's deeper on this side, actually.
Actually, this side over here is actually deeper.
It's deeper,
That road sits
actually.
back this way.
Sure is.
Plus, there's a ditch on this side that's about 2 foot deep.
yeah, I know. I thought he was going to go in.
Yeah,